Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export a video from the Wondershare Filmora. Let's get into the video. Once you have completed your video editing, you can export the video by clicking on the export menu on the top. Just click the export menu. You can see create video or export it to your device, upload it to YouTube or upload to WEBM, or can burn into a DVD. Just click the create video. Here you can see local. Here on the left hand side you can see the file type. You can select any of the file type, and on the right side you can give the name of the video, and you can give the path to save the video. Here you can change the resolutions by clicking on the settings button. Here you can see best, better or good. You can select any of the thing to change the quality of the video, and you can change the resolution here. Then you can click OK. Then the next one is your device. According to your device, you can select any of your devices here, and you can type the name of the video, and you can select the path. Here also same, the resolution. You can click on the settings and you can change the resolution and click OK, and you can export it by clicking on the export button. Then you can see the YouTube. Here first you have to sign into your YouTube, then only you can upload the video. Here you can type the name of the title of the video, and then you can again the same, you can by clicking on the settings button you can change your resolutions and your quality of the video. Then here you can type the description of the video and your category, tags, and the privacy settings, whether it may be a public or private or something. Here the last one is a DVD. You can burn the video to the DVD by clicking the DVD menu. Here you can type the name of the video and you can just export it. I'm going to show you how to export the video. I'm just clicking on the local button. Here I'm going to type the name of the video, my word version. Here you can select any of the path, and then you can export the video. Now you can see that my video got exported. Then you can click find target here. That's it, my video got exported. Thanks for watching. Bye.